How to add a promo code to your Uber Eats account. Hi everyone, I'm Head260 today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Uber Eats app. In here, make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, scroll down, you'll find promotion below right and above send a gift. Click on promotions in here. After you click on promotions in here, click on enter promo code at the top and add your promo code. After you've added your promo code, press on claim promo at the bottom. After you claim the code, you'll find discount while you order something from Uber Eats. And in this way, you're good to go. This is how to add a promo code to your Uber Eats account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.